It's hard to believe, but I've celebrated Chinese New Year over 15 times out here in Asia. And one of the biggest Lunar New Year traditions in China, Taiwan, Singapore, and here in Vietnam, besides the red envelopes, the reunion dinners, the lion dances, is cleaning out the house before the new year, otherwise known as 大扫除. This translates to the big cleaning. Days before the new year, families clean their entire house, scrubbing down every nook and cranny in hopes of sweeping out bad luck from the previous year. The idea? To clear room for a new year full of good luck and prosperity. I hate to clean, but it's beautiful to spend half a day doing this. There's so much to donate, so much to dispose, and I made a point to scrub down every corner of my apartment, spick and span, making it lighter, airier, fresher. Like Daniel's son in The Karate Kid,
wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand.
I learned through each wipe that I must sweep out the old to let in the new.
Don't forget to breathe. Very important.
And what a metaphor this is, not just for the Lunar New Year, but for life. We must breathe out to breathe in. We must empty our cups to be filled. We must make space for luck and opportunity to enter. And what about scrubbing our digital homes and our inner mental space too? If our closets and laptops and minds are full of clutter and dust, how can life add anything new? So my first question when welcoming a new year or welcoming something new into my life is not what to do, but first, what must I let go? And that's what I'm reminded of each Chinese New Year, especially this year, cleaning out my small apartment in Saigon, Vietnam. So I want to wish you all a happy Chinese New Year. 新年快乐，心想事成，步步高升，恭喜发财，年年有余. And of course, I have to practice my Vietnamese too. Chúc mừng năm mới, sức khỏe dồi dào. And as a public service announcement, please remember, don't use brooms the first few days of the new year. You'll sweep away all the good luck. That's what my mom told me, and I still do it to this day. So happy Chinese New Year here at ACE. We'll see you next week.